Yes.
Ma'am, I'm Monica. I'm from Vishal.
Great.
Hi, ma'am. Good evening. I'm Jackie from Chennai. I am
Great.
a parent of a 5-year-old kid.
Okay. Is anyone left? Please keep your cameras
Hi,
on.
ma'am.
Yes.
Hi, ma'am. I am Reshma. I'm homemaker.
Okay. Okay.
Good evening, Shweta ma'am.
Hi, Chala.
I think you know me. Yes.
Now I
Hi.
know you very well. Now I know you very well. Okay. Okay. Is there anyone left? So let's start. Okay. So as I told you that Jolly Grammar has colors and actions for all the parts of speech, right? So we are going to start with the naming words first. Okay. What are naming words? What are naming words?
Naming words are nouns.
Noun, place, animal, things,
Yes.
and name.
Okay. So a noun is the name of a person, place, animal, or thing. This is the basic thing which we introduce to the children, right? Okay. So now quickly draw. You have to be very quick in drawing a person, a place, an animal, and thing, and show it to me right now. You have to be energetic. Keep your pen, everything ready.
Miss,
Okay.
my drawing is very bad, very bad.
But I hope you can draw what a senior KG child can draw, right, Chaya? So please do that.
Ma'am, what do we have to draw? I just joined right now. I'm sorry.
Ankita, we have to draw a face of a person. You have to draw any place, any animal, or anything. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
Okay, it's done. Girl, Kelsey Twin Towers, cat, and a cube.
Yes. So now, can you all tell me why I have asked you to only draw, but I am not asking you to write the spelling? Any idea? I am only telling you to draw, but I'm not telling you to write the spelling. Why? Any idea?
No, ma'am.
Because kids have photogenic memory, we can memorize more.
Very yes, Neetu, I agree. I completely agree. Any other reason? Yes, I
Some
Because
children could
most-
not write the spelling properly.
yeah, exactly, exactly. So the children will be very young. They may be in senior KG or grade 1, where they may not be able to write the spelling. Now, see, if I ask you to greet me good morning in French and you don't know French, how would you feel? Would you take interest? Would you be taking interest? No, you will not be taking interest, right? So if the child doesn't know something and you force to do that, he will not be interested. And it is all about jolly grammar. There should be fun in your class. So the moment you ask them to draw something or you show them some pictures, it is very easy for them to engage with you, right? So all of you have drawn something, right? Okay. Now I have a camera. Can you all see this
I have
camera?
done, ma'am.
Can you see a camera here?
Yeah.
Okay. So now I would ask my children, you all are my children here. So if you can quickly draw this camera or you can use your mobile phone for now and you have to take pictures. Okay, so I have my camera and I'm going to take picture of the fan. I'm going to take the picture of the pen which is in my hand. I'm going to take the picture of the eraser which I have. So you all have to draw 3 things. You have to take the picture and you have to draw 3 things. Okay, Renu, yeah. I liked it. And I'm going to give the points who show me it first. So be very prompt in showing me your drawings. So Satya Priya has drawn. Can you please tell me what have you drawn?
I have drawn bat, ball, and pencil.
Great, great. Okay, I can see Ankita's, I can see Chaya. Chaya, you have drawn pretty good, and you were saying I'm not good at drawing. He said, I can recognize what you have drawn. I just wanted that.
Thank you.
Okay. Well done, all of you. So now these are named. So the basic concept which I have given to my child is take the picture of something, then it is, please keep yourself on mute, please everyone, otherwise I'll have to do that. Yes. Okay, for a while I have muted everyone so that there's no disturbance. And whenever there will be some question, I'll be unmuting you all. So this is the concept where you will be giving the paper camera to your child to click the pictures, and whatever he draws, now you will say that yes, naming words can be name of a person, it can be name of a place, it can be name of an animal, it can be name of a thing. But if you are clicking and you're drawing something, these are called common names. Why common? Because there are so many. If you have drawn a pencil, there are many pencils. Okay, if you have drawn an eraser, there are many erasers, right? So they're common. Now, you all have to remember the colors as I told you. So you have to remember the color for naming words is black. Okay, black. Can you all show me something black so that you can connect? Anything black quickly? Okay, Renu has shown a black mobile. Black mask, Payal has shown. Ankita is showing black remote. Okay. Fine. So all these are naming words. What all you are showing to me right now, they are naming words, right? Well done. So these are common names. Now, the action for common noun is this. Okay, this is the action. Can you all do that? Perfect. So this is the action for common names. Now, all of you have your drawings with you, right? I want you to give a specific name to your drawing. If you have drawn a pencil, you will have to look on your pencil and you have to read which is the brand name. What is the brand name? So if it is Apsara, write down Apsara. Okay. If it is a fan, which company? Whatever you have drawn, 3 things which you have drawn, can you please give the specific name, the brand name, or if it is an animal, you can keep your name, keep any specific name. So you are giving a special name to the common name. Be fast, everyone. Okay. So these are called special names. Proper nouns. So nouns are black in color, and in grade 1, what we have to teach them is common noun and proper noun. Common noun, if you can click the picture and draw, that's a common noun, or anything which are many. Okay, so they're common. But proper noun, special noun. For example, I can ask my child to draw my face and write my name. He's going to write Shweta. Then I'll ask, that is every teacher Shweta? No, Shweta is special. Okay, if the boy draws his own face, I'll ask the child to write the name, and I'll ask, is every boy's name is Rahul? No, you are Rahul. So that's special. So if that's not common and is special, we call them proper noun, right? And it has black color, and this is the action. Done? Now we all are going to play the game, and the rule for the game is you have to turn on your camera. Sorry, but you have to. because I want to, the only criteria is looking at you, that what action you are doing, and then only you can win the game. Okay. So I don't know, but some of you may have some particular reason that you're not switching on camera, but then you cannot participate. You can just watch. Okay. So let's start. And I'll quickly give the words. They can be naming words. They can be any other, like they can be adjective, verb, whatever. But if it is a naming word, you will show me black color. Okay. And at the same time, you also have to do the action. Okay. Ready, everyone? Okay. So the first word is India. I caught you, Urveen. That is a special name. So the action is this for special name, 2 fingers. Okay. For the special name, you have the 2 fingers. You have to use 2 fingers. Okay. So ready for the next word? It can be a naming word. It cannot be a naming word. You have to be very fast and you have to quickly show black if it is a naming word. Okay. So the next word is brown. 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 No, Arfa, no, it's not the name. No, Satya, no, Chaya. Brown is an adjective which we'll do later. Brown is not the name of anything. Brown can be a car, but that's not the name. Okay. So the next word is eat. Eat. The next word is and. The next word is chair. Chair. You have to show me black color also. So who is showing me black color and doing the action also? Namrata. Can we clap for Namrata? Well done. Very good. Okay. Yeah. Be ready for the next word. And the next word is school. 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 Okay, Kamachi. Well done. Black color and the action. So the next word is lovely. Lovely. The next word is swimming. Swimming. And the next word is Neetu. So Neetu did it first. What all I could see from here, maybe anybody else also. So was it fun? Was it fun? And was the concept clear? Give me a thumbs up. Okay, okay, great. Now we come to the second part of speech. Okay, I'll just show a few resources which can be made for naming words. As I showed you, this camera can be made. Then we can make a train. This is a train. And the children can be given this to put it inside the given pocket. So if it is a tiger, I will keep it inside the animal pocket. Got it? So this way you can do. So this is for a common name, which you can do. And to teach them special name, we have a postcard activity. They can make postcards. So what I did was that I gave postcards to all the children, but they are small. They cannot write the address. So they exchanged their iCards and they wrote each other's address and then they posted to their friend and they received the postcard. They were very happy. So that was a postcard activity, fun game, which was very touchy also. And they really loved that. But what we were teaching, when you write address, okay, it will take 1 minute, but all of you, can you please quickly write your address in 1 minute? I'll not give more than that. Write your address fast, everyone. After writing the address, do one thing, that you have to underline every capital letter. If you have, okay, Satya, I can see that you have finished. So underline every capital letter. If there's any capital letter, please underline with the black color. Okay, so the basic funda which is there is when you write your address, Yana has written here, very good. So Yana has typed in the chat box, that was a smart job, Yana. So I give points to you. So everyone can read the address and every word starts with a capital letter because all the words are special words when we write our address. So this is also one of the activity which can be done for teaching them proper nouns. And also you can ask them to draw anything for all the months, for January, February, March, April. So they can draw something for the month. So all the names of the month are starting with capital letter. Similarly, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, all the words start with capital. So this way you can do some activities to teach them that any word, if it starts with capital, because it's a special name, is called a proper noun. Okay, so the next part of speech is pronoun, which has pink color. So quickly show me something which is pink in color. Anu is wearing something of pink, I suppose. Neetu is wearing pink. Richa's background is pink. And okay, Payal is showing me pink pillow. Namrata is showing me something pink. Ankita. Okay, pink. Chaya, is it pink? I think it's yellow. Okay, Satya is showing the cap, pink cap of the bottle. Great. Now, for pronouns, we have 3 person, first person, second person, third person, right? So I, first person, singular. So this is the action. Please remember the action I will ask you right now. So pay attention. I is pointing towards oneself and it is singular. We is pointing in a circle like this and it's plural. So first person singular is I, first person plural is we, and I is pointing towards oneself and we is pointing in a circle. Okay, so first person means what? The one who is speaking. So right now I'm speaking, I'm the first person. Now who's listening? You all are listening. So you are the second person. So you singular is also you and you plural is also you. And so the action is also the same, you. This is the action. Now coming to the third person, suppose we are talking about somebody else. So if you're talking about a boy, that is third person singular, he. This is the action, he. And if you're talking about a girl, she, third person singular. And if I'm talking about my mobile phone, then it is singular, it. But if I'm talking about many people who are talking there, so that is the action, they, pointing towards many people, that is they. I repeat, I, we, you, he, she, it, they, and the color is pink. Okay, so ready? Do the action for I. He, she, it, we, and you. Okay, great. Now, very simple game which is played almost all the time is I'm going to tell you Simon says, and you all have to do the action. Okay, so Simon says eat. Whatever action word I'm saying, you have to do the action. Eat. No. Pronouns are done. Nouns are done. We are moving to action words, and I am Simon. And if I say you to do something, you have to do that. If Simon says eat, you have to do the action of eating. Okay, great. Simon says sleep. Simon says stand up. Simon says jump. I don't want you to restrict yourself to the seat and reserve your energies. I want you to enjoy and explore. So get up and feel some energy. So jump. Simon says jump. Okay, see, look at Chaya. What about all of you? Get some inspiration from Chaya. Look at her. Well done, Chaya. Okay, Simon says laugh. You all are on mute, so you can laugh as loud as possible. Simon says cry. Simon says comb your hair. Simon says eat. Oh, that's done. Simon says drink. Okay, Chaya is very particular. She held a glass of water and she actually drank. Well done. Okay, now the color is red. So can you show me anything which is red in color? I have these red pockets. Red pocket. So you can show me anything which is red in color. Okay, great. Now, today, because this session was, you didn't have any further prior information of what things you need during the class. But when you teach children, you can make these pockets. So you can have the black pocket for naming words, pink for pronouns, red for action words. Okay, these pockets. And then you can give the flashcard. Okay, so shut. Is it a naming word? No. Is it, so it will not go in the black pocket? Is it a pronoun? No, it will not go, but it is an action word. So it is going to be put in the red pocket. And the action for action word is simply as if you walk. This is the action. Okay. So this way you can have the flashcard game and you can give, you can have black pocket, pink pocket, red pocket, and then you can show them the word. So flame will go in the black pocket. Okay. Wet will also go in the black pocket. Okay. So this way you can keep revising the previous parts of speech. So suppose if I'm teaching action word, this activity is going to include the revision of noun also and pronoun also, because there's a mixture of words and mixture of pockets. So all the colored pockets are there. So you can ask. So whenever the child is putting any flashcard in any particular pocket, he has to do the action also. So the action for wet will be, because that's a common name. So when he will keep this in the black pocket, he also has to do the action. So this way you can play. Now the next part of speech we come to is adjectives. So for adjectives, show and tell activity. So any one of you can show me something. If you have some soft toy or some cushion, anything. Any one of you. Okay, so Payal is showing a cushion. Namrata is showing an animal. That elephant soft toy. Toad. Payal, Kaushik is showing a toad. Okay, so whatever you are showing, quickly write 3 words. 3 words for your soft toy in the chat box. Start now if you want to win. Whatever you have shown here, you have to give 3 words. So describe your puppet, your soft toy. Describing means telling the color, texture, size, shape, then is it light or heavy? Is it 1, 2, 3, all the numbers, all the colors are adjectives. So Payal is writing soft, pink, soft, fluffy, big, white, soft, light. Okay, quickly give describing words. Okay, great. So this activity can be done for adjectives. And I have a teddy with me and I have pasted the small chits which say that the teddy is big, huge, little, cuddly, cute, fluffy. Okay, so this way they can describe their fat. Okay, so I'm getting so many comments in the chat box. Great. So the color is blue. Quickly show me something of blue color. Blue color for adjective is blue, and this is the action. This is the action. Can you all do this? Showing blue color, can you all do this action? Okay, so if I show the word soft, what is it? It is an adjective. So the child has to put this in blue pocket doing this action. Okay, if the word is tray, he will keep it in the black pocket doing this action. Okay. This is all about adjectives. Now coming to adverbs. Now, Kamachi is going to do some action. Kamachi, can you do any action? She's crying. Now quickly type, how is she crying? Who can type, how is she crying? How is she crying? Type fast. How is she crying? She's crying loudly. How is she crying? Badly, sadly. Okay, Kamachi, do another action. Oh, now she's laughing. How is she laughing? Can you all quickly write in the chat box, how is she laughing? Loudly. Okay. Kamachi, can you write something? Kamachi, can you write something? Okay, can you tell me how is she writing? How is she writing? Fast. And Arfa is saying she's writing fast. But Chaya is saying she's writing neatly. And Preeta, okay, slowly. Okay. So the color is orange because we have just 5 more minutes. So I hope you are able to catch up the speed. So the color is orange. And this is the action, fist on fist. So adverb means describing the action. Adjective means describing the naming word. And adverb means describing the action. This is the action. Color is orange. Can you quickly show me something of orange color? Everyone. Okay. Orange. Yes, Urveen, I liked it. Namrata is showing flag, Indian flag. Very good. Okay. Action for verb. This is the action for verb. Okay, just as if you're walking. This is the action for verb. Then later on, we are going to study that this is past tense. So when I do this and this, that means past tense. If I do this and this, that is present tense. And if I do this, that means future. So very simple, past, backward, future, forward, and present towards the floor. So in grade 1 basic level, we teach yesterday, today, and tomorrow. Yesterday, I walked. Today, I walk. Tomorrow, I will walk. Okay, so past, present, future. Then adjective was blue and adverb is orange, and this is the action. Okay. Now, we have prepositions and conjunctions in level 2 book. Okay, so level 1 book has naming words, common noun, proper noun, pronouns, I, we, he, she, you, it, they, action words, verbs, past, present, future, that is yesterday, today, and tomorrow. Then adjectives, describing words, and adverbs, describing the action. Now coming to the color, black is naming word, pink is pronoun, red is verb, blue is adjective, and orange is adverb. Coming to the action, common noun, black, proper noun black, pronoun pink, I, we, you, he, she, it, they. Coming to verb, action words, this is the action, red color, past tense, present tense, future tense. Coming to the adjectives, blue color, touching the fist with your temple, and last is adverb, color is orange, fist on fist. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the session. There is only 2 minutes left. I'm going to unmute everyone, and please write feedbacks in the chat box if you can. I would really appreciate that. And I'm unmuting everyone if you have any doubts. And very soon I'll arrange for the next level workshop also. Yes, now you can unmute yourself.
Past, present, and future tense color is red. Am I right?
Yes, red color.
Copper, silver, and gold are common noun or proper noun? Copper, silver, and gold.
Yes, they are. We are going to do that in later stage. This is a material noun. Anything which is made of steel, wood, that is material noun. Okay. Thank you.
Then please do one time all the actions.
Okay. So
Miss,
proper.
ma'am, go little slowly.
I will share this recording. Don't worry.
Okay.
Okay. So, okay, let's play the game. Proper noun. All of you do. Proper noun. Common noun. Action words, verbs. Past, present, and future.
Past, present, future.
Adjectives. Okay. Adverb. I, pronoun. I, you, we. I, you, we, they, he, it, floor. Okay, quickly tell me orange color for what? Orange color for
Adverb.
Adverb.
blue,
Adverb.
blue,
Adjectives.
Blue is adjective.
black.
Nouns. Noun, proper noun.
Black is naming word, common noun or okay. Pink,
Pronoun.
Pronoun.
red.
Adverb. Oh, sorry, verb. Verb.
Okay, thank you so much everyone for giving your time. Please review my
Thank
page.
you so much,
Creative Minds Academy. Give me, you can WhatsApp me at 95499229664. I have my Insta page also. I have my YouTube channel also. If you share my page and my channel, I would really appreciate, because I am trying to help maximum mothers and